I can't take care of him anymore. So I was wondering if you guys would want to take him. And you guys be the new owners of him. Would you guys be okay with that?
Yes!
All right, well, here you
Yes!
go. Why don't
Finally,
you go? Why
Evan.
don't you go in and hold
You've
him?
been wanting one forever.
We have a dog!
He's still a puppy. He's only 7 months old.
Here, let me have that.
Yeah.
Evan, what do you think? You finally got a dog, Evan.
This is awesome!
Isn't it amazing? It's exactly the one you wanted, remember? You said you wanted a small white dog.
What do you guys say?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Take good care of him.
He's a little nervous because
Sorry
y'all
about-
all new.
That's all right. As long as you guys, once you guys hold him and stuff, he'll get used to you. All right.
We have a dog!
What do you think, Robin?
Where will it? Oh, don't.
Gentle, gentle.
I think with you.
With me!
So